Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm sharing something super exciting that could completely change the way you think about weight loss. Imagine being able to burn fat, sleep better, and wake up energized, all while you sleep. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's possible thanks to a new breakthrough called SleepLean. Stick around, because I'll break down what it is, how it works, and how you can try it risk-free. Quick question. Have you ever tried dieting, working out, or using supplements, but the fat just doesn't budge? You're not alone. Most people don't realize that poor sleep and exposure to blue light at night could actually block your body from losing fat. That's right. Your late-night Netflix binge or scrolling on your phone may be sabotaging your weight loss without you even knowing it. Think about it. You're eating healthy, exercising, but still struggling with a sluggish metabolism, a cravings late at night, a low energy during the day, a stubborn belly fat. The missing piece might be your sleep quality. And that's where SleepLean comes in. SleepLean is a powerful all-natural supplement designed to help your body burn fat overnight by improving sleep quality, balancing hormones, and boosting your metabolism while you rest. Here's the science part. SleepLean combines 8 key natural ingredients. A valerian root and hops extract relax your body, promote deep sleep. A 5-HTP regulates mood and controls cravings. A berberine supports healthy blood sugar and metabolism. A spirulina and inulin boost gut health and detox pathways. A black cohosh and lutein balance hormones and reduce blue light effects. So instead of fighting your body all day, SleepLean helps fix the root problems at night, when your body is naturally primed to recover and burn fat. Most users report feeling lighter and sleeping better in the first week. Within 30 to 60 days, people notice a slimmer waistline, more energy, even clearer skin. And here's the best part. It comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you've got nothing to lose except the weight. When you order today from the official link below in description, you'll also get a free bonus ebooks on anti-aging and boosting confidence with 3 or 6 bottles, a free shipping on the 6-bottle package, and the peace of mind knowing it's made in the US in FDA-approved facilities. And just so you know, the 6-bottle option is the most popular and stock is limited, so if you see it available, don't wait too long. So here's what to do right now. Click the link in the description or pinned comment, choose your package, and start taking just 2 capsules before bed each night. If it doesn't work for you, you're covered by the 90-day guarantee. Imagine where you could be 30, 60, 90 days from now, leaner, sleeping better, feeling more confident. Don't let another night pass by. Click the link, try SleepLean today, and let your body start burning fat while you sleep. At One Review, we review the best deal for you. We love discovering the best deals and product tips for our viewers. Please hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on honest reviews, top recommendations, and exclusive offers to save you time and money. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.